Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to make images move in CapCut. Adding movement to your images is very simple. So, let's get started. First, let's import some images. I'll click on this import button and select two images, one of Captain America and one of Thor. Select both images and click on import. Now, I'll place both of them on my timeline. Next, let's start with the first image. To make it move, we need to set keyframes on it. Select the image and you'll see options to adjust scale and position. Click on the scale keyframe and the position keyframe. You'll see the keyframes appear on the timeline. Now, we can set different values for these keyframes at different times. As you can see, now the image is moving in my video. Let's do something similar with the second image. I'll make it smaller by adjusting the scale and position keyframes. Set the keyframe for the initial position and scale, then move to a different time and set new keyframe values. Now, you can see the second image moving from the left top corner to the right bottom corner. It's really simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider liking and subscribing to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.